How to turn off parental controls in Roblox. So first, just open up roblox.com. Make sure you're logged in. Once that's done, just simply go to the settings on the top right corner on the gear icon, then click on settings. Then go to parental controls here at the list on the menu right here. As you can see, parent pin is enabled for this account. What you need to do is simply click on the switch button right there, and it will prompt you to enter a pin. And if you know the pin, of course, just simply put the pin here on the bar. But if you don't know the pin, you might need to ask whoever set it up for you. It might be your guardian, your parent, your friend, or your brother or sister. But once you know your pin, you simply need to enter it right there and just simply click on unlock. And if you have 2FA enabled, you will need to enter, of course, the code. If you don't know, you might just need to ask who your parent or who might know it. So I have mine right here, so I'll just put it. And I'll just simply click on verify. As you can see, it has been disabled successfully, and you will not need the pin if you want to change any settings in your account, since when this pin is enabled, the pin must be provided before changing settings on your Roblox account. That's basically it. That's how you change or disable the parent or parental controls in Roblox.